Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using the Kraken app. First, download the Kraken app from your device's app store. Next, create and verify your Kraken account by following the on-screen prompts. This crucial step ensures your account is secure and ready for transactions. Finally, prepare to fund your account with your preferred fiat currency. Once your account is verified, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the funding section and choose a deposit method, such as a bank transfer or wire transfer. Carefully enter the amount you wish to deposit, ensuring all details are correct. Confirm the transaction, and your funds should appear in your Kraken account shortly, ready for your Bitcoin purchase. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Go to the Buy section within the Kraken app. Select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You can then enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase or the fiat currency equivalent. Review your order carefully before proceeding to the next step. Before finalizing, always review your order details one last time, including the amount and price. Once you are satisfied, confirm the purchase to acquire your Bitcoin. Your newly purchased Bitcoin will then appear in your Kraken wallet. For enhanced security, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal hardware wallet for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.